Hello friends, we have come with a new video in which we will learn how to form a quadratic equation when the roots are given to us. So, formation of quadratic equation when the roots are given to us. Let us see now. Let alpha and beta are the two roots given of the quadratic equation, and they want you to form a quadratic equation with variable x. The variable can be given anything, but at this moment it is given x to us. So x equals to alpha or x equals to beta, as we have alpha and beta are the roots. I hope you remember alpha and beta are the solution of the given equation. That means they are satisfying the equations, so they are there. So once we get x equals to alpha or beta, we can get the form the equation by x square minus bracket start alpha plus beta bracket close into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Now in a words we can say, when the two roots of the equations are given, then quadratic equation can be obtained as x square minus sum of roots. The roots which are given, we have to add them, into x plus product of the roots. Alpha into beta will give you the product of the roots is equals to 0. This is the way we obtained the quadratic equation when the roots are given. Now let us see one example to clear the concept. So in this quadratic equation they have given us variable as y and the roots are minus 5 and minus 7. So what we will get? Let alpha and beta be the two roots. Therefore x equals to y equals to alpha or y equals to beta. In other term, alpha is minus 5, beta is minus 7. If you want, you can change the numbers, the roots, there is no issue. It will give you the same value. So alpha equals to minus 5 or beta equals to minus 7. Next we need to find out sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta equals to minus 5 plus inside the bracket minus 7, which further simplifies, give you minus 12, because both the numbers are negative. So when we add, we will get minus sign only. Now let us find out product of the roots. So the product of the root means minus 5 into minus 7. When we multiply the negative two terms, we get plus 35. So now we have alpha plus beta also and alpha into beta. So we can find out equation. So our equation formula will become y square minus sum of the roots into y plus product of the root. As you know, sum of the root we have 12 minus 12 and the product we have got 35. So now we will going to replace alpha plus beta will be replaced by its value and alpha into beta will be replaced by its value. So we get the equation as y square plus 12y plus 35. Minus into minus become plus. So the plus 12y plus 35 equals to 0. So our quadratic term is y square, linear term is 12y and constant term is 35. The coefficient of quadratic term is 1. The coefficient of linear term is plus 12 and the coefficient of constant term is 35. I hope you like this video and you have learned the concept very easily. Please share with your friends.